This is the insulating glass production line, 2.5 by 4 meter, the maximum size, and right now it's under commissioning. There you can see with the window. This is a glass washing machine with the control panel. Control panel here. Inside we are using all the stainless steel materials and the 3 pairs of soft Louis brush, all stainless steel material. And this is a special air knife, the same design with Bystronic, with 15 kilowatts big blower to dry the glass. The washing machine control panel, the washing machine part, the glass output station, the glass inspection station, and aluminum frame mounting section. And this is the outside assembly station. This machine with 2 functions, the inside and outside press. And this part is the inside press and a glass assembly with the argon gas filling. Gas filling cover plate. And up press and gas filling glass output station, which can be connected with the sealing robot. Germany Siemens PLC. Breaker and connector, all Schneider. And there are 7 inverter, home-row inverter here. Servo driver and servo controller.